Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 29 of the Cougar Connection. This week, our student spotlight goes to Kara Spencer and Riley Souter. Kara is a 7th grade student here at Simons Middle School, and she is a member of the Red Jaguar team. Riley is a member of the Silver Snakes team, and she is an 8th grade student here at Simons Middle School. These girls both cheer for our SMS cheerleading team, but they are also members of a competitive cheerleading squad through the Cheer and Tumble Studios. This is an all-star level 3 international squad, and this past weekend the girls, as part of that all-star team, competed in Dayton, Ohio, where they won first place, and as a result of that first place victory they will receive rings. Both of these young ladies are outstanding students here at Simons Middle School, and we just want to congratulate them and shout out, and we can't wait to see what amazing things you ladies do in the future. We also want to take a minute, and this is also kudos to Kara and Riley too. Our SMS cheerleading squad on Saturday competed in the Bluegrass Classic National Championship, and they were awarded the Grand Champion Award for their routine. So congratulations, ladies. Congratulations, coaches. We're so proud of your accomplishments as well. This week's staff spotlight is Miss Sadie Ham. Miss Ham actually acted as principal this last week for a couple of days, as Mr. Fritz and I were both out to meetings, and she did a fantastic job. And if you guys know Miss Ham very well, you know that she will do anything for her students, and she will do anything for her school. And we really appreciate all the extra stuff that she does for us here at SMS, both for the staff and for the students. So thank you, Miss Ham. We really appreciate you. Upcoming this week, we do have several things going on. The district is having kindergarten registration at the bowling alley until 5:30 on Monday. Also, students, we will have the PSAT for everyone on Monday morning. This is that assessment that is paid for by Advanced Kentucky. It is a grant that we have received, and it will provide monetary incentives for students who either benchmark in the PSAT math section, or it will be provided for those of you who grow a certain amount based upon your score from last year. We will also have the Alex and Achieve reward for the month of February after lunch on Monday. On Tuesday, we will have a leadership team meeting at 3:15 in the conference room. Also on Tuesday, we're going to have a parent meeting for those of you who are going to send your students to or on the DC trip. So it's really important, parents, that you try to be there on Tuesday night at 5:30. We're going to get started right about that time in the cafeteria. On Wednesday, we don't have anything on the calendar yet. On Thursday, Zebra Divas are going to meet right after school. And on Friday, Kid Mama's T-shirt day. Also, parents, just a couple of upcoming things to keep on your radar. We only have about 33 days left until our K-Prep testing window opens. So that is instructional days, and that's not very many at all. Also, benchmark testing, the final benchmark of the year, is coming up. That'll be in a couple weeks. It'll be the week right before spring break. And our Red Jaguar team is having a fundraiser to assist those folks who were devastated by the tornadoes this last week in Nashville. So if you're interested in purchasing a shirt to support that initiative, you can call the school and talk to Miss Ellison. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have a great week.